and welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm here to show you what Hamster has for you, what Hamster has for me. So we're all really going to talk about Hamster here right now. I am Crypto 001. What I do on this channel is that I promote cryptocurrency. Like I talk about cryptocurrency and I bring to you anything about cryptocurrency, anything that will guarantee you to make money as a crypto dealer. So that's what all I'm doing here. So without wasting much time, I want to dive into the video of today. So if you actually log into your Hamster early this morning, you will see a pop-up of something of an envelope, of which if you must have clicked on it, you actually see other things. So that's what I'm actually going to talk about it right now. So first of all, you need to navigate to where you see buy screen at the left corner of the screen. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up an area where you're going to see your achievement and also going to see your skin. So if you can actually see, if I should click on um all here, you can see I have actually bought some skins to myself. I currently hold, like, let me say, yeah, I currently hold 10 skins here. So if you should come here, this is where we're actually going to talk about this achievement. So if you should click on show all, what are you seeing there? You are seeing upgrade cards, you are seeing upgrade cards to level 15. You can see upgrade cards to level 15. I don't have anything here because all the cards I have here in my Hamster account, I do not actually have upgraded any of them to, actually, let me say, level 25. That is why I'm not receiving anything when it comes to this part. So moving down, you can actually see collection coins. I have actually have 1 million coins. I have actually accumulated 10 million coins, 200 million coins, 1.5 million coins, man. So if you come down to invite friends, actually I don't actually like anything about referral. So I was able to just invite, let me 1 to 10 people, if not 11. So if you come into unlock skin, I actually hold about 10 skins here. That is why you are seeing me to this point. So if you come down to profit per hour, you can see I have actually passed the level of 100, 100k coins, 500k coins. Currently, I have 4.1 million profit per hour right now. That is why you can see it has been tick green here. I have actually completed all the first when it comes to profit per hour here. So coming down here, you will see watch Hamster YouTube videos. I've actually watched about 25 videos. So that is why I've been able to receive these three news icon you are seeing. You can just see it. I have received about three of them. So the rest two I have not been able to, like, I've not watched up to 50 videos, 100 videos. That's what it's trying to let us know. You can see down here, subscribe to Telegram channel. So since from the very first day I joined Hamster, I subscribed to their channel. It's up to 100 and something days right now. So that's why you are seeing here. It's it has, that is why you are seeing all these four icons here, remaining one here. So that is just it. Now we need to take it into consideration that profit per hour is very, very important, as well as your coin balance. Let me tell you, nobody will tell you do this and do that. See, the amount of coin you have is also at least important, but the main important thing here is your profit per hour. That is your pph. So if you can see, if I did not have up to 1 point something million, or if I've not been able to accumulate up to 1 point something billion coin, I wouldn't have been to this particular stage you are seeing here. So because I've been upgrading my cards, upgrading my profit per hour, and also it will generate more coin to me, more coin balance to me. That is why I'm able to reach this point here. So that is just it. So this is just an achievement. I think they are going to, based on what they said earlier, that they are going to, airdrop is going to be based on activity parameters. So these are the parameters. Everything you are doing on this app, everything you are doing on this mini app, your record is being checked, and anything you do on this mini app, it is being recorded. So nobody should come and deceive you that you don't have to do this, you don't have to do that. Hamster combat is really going to shock everybody. It's really, I know there are thousands of people, millions of people mining this hamster already. So hamster is, I don't know how to say this for you to understand. It just is not, it's not just a game. It's not just a game. It's more than a game. It's a massive project, and it's being supported by so many people. Okay, so if you have not at least joined Hamster, please do it right away. I'm going to leave the link of this uh, Hamster combat in my video description and also on the comment section, so you go there and click and start it right away. Just do something at least. It's never too late. It's always never too late to make money. You can make money anytime, any day. So guys, this is just the update for today. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to smash the notification button, because I do drop videos like this and I keep up updating you guys on what is trending, what is new, all things that you need to know about cryptocurrency.